Hello friends, welcome you all once again. Now we can start the reading comprehension once again. We can discuss the question paper in the year of 2018. Okay. Here is the paragraph. Read the following passage carefully and answer the questions 11 to 15. 5 questions. Okay. Some 2000 kilometers down south of the Amazon and about the same time when the tidal waves were at their highest as a consequence of a big clash of sea and fresh water at the Amazon Delta most vigorously in March and April 2018. More than 40,000 people were talking about the power of water. Brasilia hosted the 8th edition of the World Water Forum WWF 8, where heads of state, civil societies and private sector gathered to discuss the present and the future of mankind's most valuable resource. This year, theme was sharing water, and the government authorities expectedly put forth a political declaration aimed at raising awareness about threats and opportunity associated with water resources. Deliberations here would play a decisive role in the periodic assessments of sustainable development goals of Agenda 2030. Brazil has established a solid institutional and legal framework for water management based on the principle of multi-stakeholder participation. Brazil has also been conducting one of the boldest river interlinking projects in which 500 kilometers of canals will transfer abundant waters from the São Francisco basin to small rivers and valleys in one of the Brazil's most arid areas, benefiting more than 12 million people in almost 400 municipalities. India, too, has a large variety of water resources. An institutional framework consisting of regional river boards and river cleaning mission has been set up, while successive central government have made efforts to address the dire needs of the irrigation and mitigation of groundwater depletions. As in case of Brazil, a lot of remains to be done in India. Adequate treatment of industrial wastewater, the fight against contamination of riverbeds, and assistance to drought affected areas are highly priority topics for both New Delhi and Brasilia. Due to these commonalities, there is ample room for bilateral cooperation. Water is local, regional, and global common. As such, collaboration is the key to address most of its associated threats. Today, mankind is faced with two facts. Water is too powerful a force to be fought over and too valuable a resource to be lost. To harmonize these two conflicting aspects, sharing water is perhaps the only meaningful motto for the ages to come. Okay, before going to the question, we got an idea regarding how the Amazon sites of river collecting, water collecting and using the utility of the water to the different side of the Brazil. And India is one of the country having the same side of river and water resources. So how it will useful and what are the various way to make useful to the people in the different way according to the climate and the situations. Okay. So it is a main content regarding the water resources, how we can useful it, and what are the way to develop the water resources in different part of the country and comparing the Brazil with India. Okay. Now the first question, as per the text of the passage, the 8th edition of the World Water Forum was concerned with four answers are given there as choice. present and future of mankind. That's the first one. Second one, the issue of high tidal waves. Third one, the power of water. Fourth one, the role of civil society in solving water related problems. The answer is 3, the power of water. The water is very powerful. Using the power of the water, we are using the hydroelectricity and all the things. Okay. Now the next question, deliberation to the theme sharing water should facilitate. Regular evaluation of sustainable development goals is the first one. Second one, the role of private sector to preserving water resources. Second choice of the answer. And third one, the establishment of institutional framework. And fourth one, sensitization of government authorities. The answer is first one, regular evaluation of sustainable development goals. That is the answer for this question. And now the next question. The institutional framework of Brazil for water management. Just telling about the Brazil water management. Okay, 4 choices are there. 1, promotes bilateral collaboration. Second one, provides for multi-stakeholder participation. Third one, consists of regional river boards. And fourth one, addresses legal dimension of water sharing. Answer is second, provides for the multi-stakeholder participation. That is the answer. Now next one, 14th. What would be high priority to both New Delhi and Brasilia as regard river water? Just comparing between New Delhi and the Brasilia. It's India with Brazil. Okay. Proposing water was a global common. That is the first choice. Second one, sharing water. Second one. And third one, development of large water resources. That is the third one. And fourth one, fight against contamination of riverbeds. What is the priority? First priority, high priority one to give means that is the last one, fight against the contamination of riverbeds. That means the pollution is given by the different factories sending their waste to the riverbeds. That is the first one. I want to stop it first of all, then only we can use the water in the different sources. Okay. And the last one, the main focus of the passage is on what is the thing? Resolution of water conflicts. That's the first one. Second one, encouraging bilateral cooperation. Second one. And third one, management of water was a valuable resource. Third one. And fourth one, the river interlinking. What is the main focus in the passage? No doubt about it. The third one is the answer, management of water as a valuable resource. Water is an important source. That is unlimited source of energy. And we can utilize in the different way for irrigation, for electricity, and many other things. It is not countable, uncountable uses are there. I think anyhow the questions is over and the paragraph is very simple. I think easy for you all to get. Okay, go on, try hard, try to get good mark. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Okay, thank you very much.